While I love Halloween, you'd be surprised at how little decor I actually have up. To some people. However, that all changes this weekend up until the big day on Monday. There's going to be no missing our house during trick-or-treating. Because as the sun goes down, the lights go up. Boom! Because it's all about the lighting. And here's the thing, it's so easy. The best part, the same lights I use can be used for all the holidays ahead. Green and red, blue and white, red for Valentine's Day, green and gold for when the Packers go to the Super Bowl. Ha, yeah right. This weekend's new to Lou 2 is the Onforu LED floodlights. Onforu are DIY color-changing LED lights that are great for uplighting events, uplighting parties, wall washing your walls, inside or outside for holidays, the big game, weddings. Just one light gives you multi-colors and multi-modes. After you plug it in, you just point the included remote at the floodlight to turn on the lights. Then pick your favorite color, brightness mode like strobe lights or color changing. The remote even has a timer built in, so you can set the lighting to power off after 3, 6, or 12 hours. The IP66 light is dustproof and waterproof, so it's perfectly fine sitting out in the rain, sleet, the snow, hot sun. I'm telling you, these are the simplest yet the most effective and versatile decorations you will ever find and ever need. You can buy them singular or in a duo pack, or I bought the 4-pack, which goes for $69. My tip for Halloween lighting is to shine one red light and one blue light on either side of the front door. I love that contrast. It kind of gives off a spooky vibe. But hey, ring that bell around Thanksgiving and you'll see orange and yellow. Come back caroling for Christmas and they're going to be green and red. It's really just the new to Lou 2 that gives all year round. For more information on the Onforu LED floodlights, check out Lou's HouseSmarts YouTube channel and be sure to click the subscribe button while you're there.